Hello friend, good morning. So standard 2 chapter 1 in a last lecture, online lecture I think. Okay, we have discussed about the input device. Okay, all the our input device process of our computer, like input, process, output, and our input devices like our keyboard, mouse, joystick, web camera, scanner, microphone, all we have discussed. Now that was our input device. Now today we are going to learn our output device. Okay, so which one is our output device? So first one is our, see, this is in my screen, this is our output device. Okay, so output device is first one is a monitor, and this is our monitor. Second one is printer. Okay, second one is a printer. The third one is speakers and many others. Okay, so these are the basically output device. We will see the different images for our output device and what will be the work for that particular output devices. Now we will see here monitor. Okay, so you will see here lots of monitors available. Okay, here these all are name of the monitor. Okay, different companies has monitor, different size and different color of variation. Okay, different variation available monitor. So these all are monitors. What? Monitors. These are the monitors. Okay, so monitor, what is the exactly work for monitor? Okay, so monitor is when we type from the keyboard any text or any activity. Okay, when we do the any activity, that will display on this screen. Okay, these are the screen like Windows. See, Windows, this is the Windows screen. Okay, so there are some all the screen for all the different computers. So these are the monitors. Now second one is printer. Second one is what? Printer. See, so this is the our printer. So you will get the different size and color of a printer. So you will get the use of printer is what? We get the soft copy of a computer data. Okay, convert into the hard copy, it means on a paper, by using a printer. Okay, so this is the printer. This output device. What? Output device. Understand? So these are the different kinds of printers. There are some types also printer, but we will discuss in a later. So this is the printer. Printer is basically black and white print also give, and color print also available. So if you want the color print, so you can get the color print from a color printer. And if you want the black and white printer, okay, so if you have the black and white, so you will get the black and white printer. See, these are the color printers, example Canon. Okay, some other companies color printers, and this one is like a black and white printer. Okay, so you will see here HP laser Z printer. Okay, name is HP. See, here you will see the logo of HP. Okay, so this is the black and white printer. You will get the only the black and white copy from here. Okay, from this printer. Understand? So you will get this is the different printers. Understand? Okay, now the third one is speaker. So I think the speaker is, you all know about the speaker. Okay, we'll get the when we want to listen any music, so we are using the speaker. So here the this is the different speaker images. Okay, so these all are the speaker. Okay, the different size and different shape. Okay, see, like a home theater. Okay, so small speaker also available, like joining the using a Bluetooth. Okay, so these are the all the speakers. Understand? Okay, now see, this is the mainly the output devices. Okay, so first we are going to revision our all the devices. Okay, we have discussed in this chapter like first one is input, process and output. What is input, process and output? Here suppose we are now going to revision our first chapter. Okay, so first, what is the input? So when we type any uh, characters, okay, or give any command from a keyboard, mouse, okay, that is called our input, and that input goes to the CPU, okay, in a CPU part, okay, and process here in this CPU, okay, this is the process our whichever we have given command to the from the keyboard and mouse, and after finally this is the output, okay, we will get the output. We have already discussed this input, process and output. So basically this I for input, P for process and O for output. Okay, so now uh, second thing is suppose for example our input or output process input, output and input, process and output. Example for this, suppose we are our input is 2 plus 2, okay, this is our input, and after this is input, this is input, and this is our, the plus sign is our processing, okay, for using the plus sign we are process these two input and we will get the output is a 4. So this is our output. Understand? Yes. Now this is the this was our example of input, process and output. Second one is a input device. So we have our computer, okay, like see like we will see like this, okay, and here we are I am using, see here this is the keyboard, okay, this is our keyboard, this is the CPU, this is the connectivity between three all the parts, okay. So this is our this one is our input device, okay. Which one is our input device? Like this is the input device, okay, this one is a input device, means you can give some command or some data to the for processing to the computer, that is called input device, and this is a processor or CPU, okay, processor for the in a CPU, okay, and this is our output device, okay, this is our monitor, this is the monitor. So understand basically this concept, okay, keyboard, mouse, joystick, web camera, okay, these all are the input device, and the output device is monitor, okay, this monitor, printer, okay, see monitor, printer and speaker, the all are the output device. Understand? So here our first chapter is finished, okay. Now I am sending to using a PDF file or image, okay, for the our exercise. So write down the exercise first, filling the blank, correct the statement, okay, like match the following, and choice MCQ and question answer, okay. So write down all the exercise in your computer books as well as this exercise in your notebook, okay. So today I'm going to finish this lecture, okay. So first chapter our is over, okay. So Jai Swaminarayan.